Welcome back to Average Mike's, guys, and today we're gonna go check out this new drone that my son got for his birthday. It's the Holy Stone HS720E. Has camera, pretty cool. So let's we'll do the unboxing, setting it up, and take it out for his first ride. Alright guys, welcome back, and like I said, we're going to start unboxing this thing. So, I'm not going to lie, we opened it up just to get this battery out. It comes with two batteries. We wanted to get one of them charged up, so let's open this up here. I also put batteries in this guy too. So, you have the remote. We have box here. I believe this was where the extra propellers here, in case I guess you break one. Here's the drone itself. I believe the charger was also in there. And then there should be some instructions, a book here. Yeah, so like I said, it came with two batteries. I think one's loaded. Oh no. Here's the spot where pop the sucker in. You hear the click sound, so that's good. I'm gonna guess we fold these out like so. Uh-oh. Wrong way. There we go. 1, 2. Fancy.
Oh, Daddy. Let's go out.
Alright, so we have to download the app here. The QR code does not work, so we'll go to Go. Alright, enter device. What was this? Press the remote to unlock button while switching the power up.
This one? There you go.
There we go. There we go. Alright. I gotta connect to the SSID. Connect it. Let's return to the app. So it needs to go in calibration mode. So it's said to go like this. Alright, so we're gonna start over here. Brought it outside. Let's slide this off. Turn this off. So we're gonna turn this on. Turn this on. Now that they stop blinking, that means it's connected. I got blinking red and green lights on the drone. I think that's normal, yeah. Now we're flip-flopping back and forth. Now we want to start calibration, so they're supposed to go like this. Oh, I hit the button. Now it's saying they do 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and it's saying horizontal too. So 1, 2, 3. It's not doing it. If we go ahead now, hit the unlock, and then this button up here does a 5-foot. It's a little windy. It is a little breezy out, and it is holding it pretty good. Can you see the camera, Michael? not connected? All right, let's put it down. All right, so all I should have to do is hit this button here and it should land by itself, which it did. Awesome. All right, so where's the camera? Reconnect to the Holy Stone one. Connect it. Here, Michael. Here, you wanna drive it, or you wanna watch the camera? You wanna watch the camera? All right, let's see how it works then. Here. Let's see. Can you see the camera? All right. You got a camera. All right. Let's go. So unlock the motor. We'll do a takeoff. And let's see if I can just go up.
Daddy, this ball, that's crazy. Whoa!
Can you see?
Yeah, it's what it looks. It's hot.
Wow. What can you? What are you looking at now? Huh?
This one is
What's that pointed to? I don't even know.
the next one is.
Okay. How do I turn it?
Use the thing. Whoa.
Can you see Ryan?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me see the video.
I didn't put a video. This is
That's awesome. It's automatically going. It's automatically. Let me see. Let's go back up. Let's go up some more.
You won't let you?
Yeah.
I won't let you. Wait, I'm gonna tell
I'm
Mommy.
going up still.
I'm gonna tell Mommy you don't have to go outside. You can just.
That might be it. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
So, we're powered on, right? All right, so hit the unlock button. All right, that started the little motors. All right, now you can hit the top left button. That gets it stuck going. All right, and then, hold on. So this button here, if you push it up, it'll go up. Push it down, it'll go down. Okay, so why don't you push it up and get it above the house?
There.
All right.
Oh, no. It's
What?
kind of.
All right, now just slightly push on, see, to kind of get an idea how it goes.
Where?
All right.
Where?
So to kind of just see how to control it.
I'm not controlling it.
You are controlling it.
No, I'm not.
Well, get it away from the chimney. You have to be.
I can't. It's too windy.
All right, hand it over. You're here. Hold this. I don't want you hitting anything. You just gotta slightly. See how I'm slightly pushing?
Yeah.
All right. Just slightly push it this way. Just slightly push it. It's a little windy. I don't know what it's doing right now.
That's what it did to me. It wasn't doing any. It was just moving by itself.
See how? There you go. See? The problem is it's windy, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's trying to. It can only do so much because of the wind. Now, if I press this home, if I press this button here, it should come home. Let's see if it does. It went up in the air. I'm not sure why. Where does it think home is?
Oh no.
Let's see what it
I
does.
can't. Ow.
Is it gonna come out?
No. It's going on the house. No. What is it doing?
I did that.
Okay. Good. I'm not going to get that right. I can't find it. There it is.
It's trying to land.
Scout, watch out. Scout.
No. There. I didn't do any of that. It did it by itself. I moved it away from over the house, but you want to try it again?
Oh, sure. Yeah. Ready?
All right, we're gonna watch it from the camera here. If you get into any trouble, just let me know. Oh! The wind's blowing here.
I'm in trouble.
Come here. Hold this. Let's bring it back.
No.
Oh, I'm bringing it down.
We're getting closer. That's not good. Okay.
There you go. Alright. I'm trying to give you good camera angles here. Let's bring it down. I think it's too windy. Yeah. Let's bring it down. Let's see if I can bring it down on the table. Oh no! Stop!
What did you do?
I think we're okay. That was a pretty good lick too.
Taking a video, we're not doing it.
Alright. Yeah, see, it's really... Oh, Jesus.
You're gonna make a hole. I want to watch that video. How do I watch that?
Did you take a video?
How do I watch the video? This is the video.
Oh, there's me taking off. Oh no.
No.
Go up. Oh. Oh. All right. That's all we got so far. The drone video seems to work pretty good. It does. If you were just to go straight up and straight down, I think it would handle the wind very well, right?
Yeah.
Would you say that? But when you start moving around, it tries to do both, and it gets a little jittery. It's not super windy here, but it's a little windy. It's got some little bit of breeze going, so we'll have to wait for a nicer day. But all in all, we seem to work out all the kinks. I guess when you're doing the calibration, you want to make sure you spin it 3 times this way and then 3 times this way. We were doing it this way, like this, but it wants you to go like that, if you understand. So, and it wants you to do that every time you fly it, or I guess you put it away and bring it back. It wants you to, you don't have to do that, but instruction says that you want to do it. This does have the return home feature, which we haven't really been able to test that too well because it's a little windy again. Auto drop. And it also has some things so that you can, if it goes out of range or if it loses control, remote is supposed to return home as well. So it is 16 plus, I think the age range was, which is really so that you just don't bang it around. But I'm old and I still crashed it twice. So yeah, so that's gonna be the wrap for today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. We definitely give the Holy Stone 700 series 720E to be specific. Definitely give it a thumbs up so far. We just got it. We just started playing with it, so take it for what it's worth. But looks pretty cool. Probably worth the money. I know we have some of those little tiny drones, and they're just too hard to fly. They're too hard to fly for me, let alone, you know, little kids. So especially outside. And it took a couple licks and didn't really affect it too much, so that's cool too. Yeah, so if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, comment below, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and that's about it. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.